J'aime crier pour tout le monde.
Can't believe that Daniel deal you got me on my insurance.
Hey. Happy holidays to all of you. Happy holidays. I'm here to bring the message. It's time for us to clean up our country. I'm doing a fundraiser. I have pinned, well, not literally pinned, I have commented below. Check out the GoFundMe. Check out the GoFundMe and contribute however much you can. Salut à vous tous. Happy holidays. I hope you are all having a happy end of year. Naturally. Happy holidays to all of you.
Chanter pour qu'on fait café.
bat bagay. Wadinga no wale. Si bagay la chome gen musique. I want to wish all of you a wonderful, a splendid, a marvelous, a spectacular New Year 2021. I am here to bring a message. It's time for us to clean up the streets of Potoprens. It's time for us to pick up the trash. I have opened a GoFundMe, and I'm inviting all of you to participate in this fundraiser. So what you do is you click on the link below and you log on to the account and you contribute however much you want. I'm waiting for big donations. I know Haitians are successful around the world. Plenty of you are millionaires. So do not hesitate to contribute to a worthy cause. We can clean up our own country. We can clean up our own city. We can do this job. We don't need the paternalization of strangers, foreigners. We can do this in our sovereignty. It's our job. And I hope to bring you joy for the end of the year. I hope to share my joy with you. As you can see, I'm having 2 drinks. Hey! It's the end of the year. This is my birthday season. So may my joy reach your heart, and may the festivity that is emitting from me reach you as well. You log on to the GoFundMe account and contribute however much you want. This is not the last time I'm coming to you. I'm going to do more Instagram Live. I'm going to do more YouTube Live. I'm going to do more Twitter via... I know that I do Twitter Live via Periscope. I haven't been on Twitter Live in so long. And I'm going to be doing and using however many platforms there are. I'm just wishing you guys a wonderful, spectacular, marvelous New Year. Share, 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 share. Partagez, partagez, partagez. Partagez avec tout le monde. Again, I am thanking you for coming and viewing my message. This is informal, and it's going to keep going that way. I will be coming back live to remind us Haitians we have work to do in our own country. And this work is not too big for us. We can do this one together. This is not such a big deal or such a big weight that we cannot do it together. I know we can do it together. So I will log off now and continue to enjoy my 2 drinks. Happy New Year to all of you. May the best and the best wishes reaches all of you. Don't forget, I'm here because I'm raising funds to clean up Haiti, to clean up the trash off the streets. And this is a specific project that is long term, because after cleaning the streets, we got to keep the trash off it. So this is a project that will create many jobs. And this is the development of a waste management industry that should have been active a long time ago. So because I'm qualified, because I have experience, because I'm a worker, I can do this job. I just need you to do your part. This is not my project. This is not my initiative. This is for all of us. I want to do this for all Haitians. If you want to be an ambassador for this project, call me. My number is 347-903-9717. And I'm inviting you all to come shop with me. I do have an online store where some of the best hair and skin products are featured. This is the home of pomade crème cheveux for clients with alopecia, for clients with damaged edges, breakage, stops immediately, dandruff, dry scalp. This is for eczema, exfoliating men, especially men with the beauty issues, especially women with the different pimples, or should I call them breakouts. So I'm showing you 2 wonderful products, and I'm inviting you to come shop with me. Let me write my website and let me write my phone number before I go. Again, I wish you guys a wonderful, super happy New Year, as it should be. So my website is 3Ws. with the dot. Let me write properly. theanshop.com. Get your hair and skin products. And you may fund me to get involved in this. Get involved. We can do this. This is Haiti. It's our country. We don't need foreign intervention just to clean up. We can do this. So the number is, to call me, is 347-903-9717. Do it. Ciao, ciao. Bye-bye.